Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be giving an update of what really happened on GBPUSD as this week runs out. So what I predicted this week, I think 3 or 4 days ago, about GBPUSD movement was a bullish run starting, but look at what the market did. All of a sudden the market started pulling back into the demand level, and that happened due to one of the big news that happened on GBP last. I think that was on Wednesday. We had the CPI on GBP. Let me quickly show what really happened that made price push back into this demand level. Now going back to the 4-hour, where I decided that the market will be going up. So on the 4-hour, when I saw this price, when I saw this candlestick closing away from this demand level here, that was when I said this bullish run is about to start, because we had some trend line that were taken out. I had this trend line that was taken out, and I had some other ones here too that were taken out by this movement here. So with all these, I believe that was when I was looking out for the bullish run to start. But all of a sudden on Wednesday, this happened on Tuesday, right? So on Wednesday, when I was looking for a buy setup on Wednesday, so I pull out this trend line here, so that I'll be waiting for price to make it back into this trend line and give me some sign of respecting this trend line that will go up from that point. But look at what the market did. News came out around, I think I was 1:30. Let me go back to a few minutes time frame to see when that really happened. Okay, that was early in the morning on Wednesday. That was around 7 o'clock on Wednesday. That was when the news came out. Look at how the news pushed back into the demand level. Then I went to my daily time frame to see exactly what I will be expecting again. Look at what I did here. So I noticed there was a structure here, a daily structure, market structure here. That was when I pull out this structure here to still be like a guide for me to know the direction the market will be going anytime soon, probably by Monday or Tuesday. So this is what really happened here. So I pull out this market structure here. So basically what I do on the daily time frame is this. So I focus more on the market structure, the supply or the demand level, then the fib retracement level, which is the 50, 61, 8% level of Fibonacci retracement. So that is the 3 major things that I watch out for on the daily time frame. So if I see any of these happening, then I wait for price to get to those points. So I'll be expecting price to either respect it majorly. I'll be expecting the price to hold within that level, since it has been a strong level in the past. So that will make me to know the direction of the market. But with this now, the direction is not yet clear. You can see market has been in this level for the past 2 weeks now. So throughout last week and throughout this week, we have price moving within this whole range here. So with this, there's no direction yet, but I'll be looking. What will make me to confirm the direction is me going down to the lower time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame, to see what is really happening. I want to see price closing away from this level. Likewise, I use my 1-hour time frame as well to pull out trend lines. You can see. So currently, this is the current trend line that I'm looking at right now. This one here, I use this point here, and I use this second point here to define this trend line. So you can see price came back to hit on Friday twice. So what I'm expecting now is for this market direction to be a bullish market, to start going bullish, I have to see this trend line being taken out. Then I'll be looking at price giving me the new bullish trend line, probably something like this, as you can see right now. If this bullish movement still want to continue, I'll be expecting price to still be moving within this trend line here, probably taking out this daily market structure or this H4 demand level to the downside there. Then the bearish continuation the movement will just continue going downward. But if this level here, these two level here are going to be respected. The demand level on the 4-hour and the market structure on the daily time frame, if these two levels here are going to be respected, now we're expecting this trend line here to be taken out. Then this trend line here could be the new trend for the bullish run. Then I'll be following the market from that point to the upside. So still the same thing, everything still lies around what the market do on this within this, or within these two levels there, the demand level and the market structure of the daily time frame. So let's see what this is going to give. So if this happened this way, like I said earlier on in my previous video, if this level here is respected, then I'll be expecting price to come to this level here, So on this 4-hour, I can see we have a supply level here lying around this place here. So that is where I'll be looking at price again. Then I saw this key level as well, this level here as well, you can see. So these are what I'll be using. So if price should get to this point here and is expecting this high tendency is going to drop, so if price made it up here, then I'll be looking at price reaction within these two area here. Then if price respects it, then I'll be looking for price to drop from that point again. But if these levels here were not holding the price enough, then I'll be looking at price as this new supply level here from the daily time frame. So then we'll be selling off if price respects that level. But for now, this is what is really happening on GBPUSD, on H4, and on all time frames. They are still all saying the same thing. The daily demand level, the 4-hour demand level, and the daily market structure is still holding the price at ransom. You can see no direction here. We are just like open the market is going to go up, which is why I have this trend line here from the 1-hour time frame. And if the market is going to continue bearish movement, they'll be having this trend line here holding the price to the downside, then probably continue selling off into this next demand level here. I think this demand level here was gotten from the daily time frame. Yes, that demand level there was gotten from the daily time frame. So basically all my trades, everything for me to define the market for me to define the market direction lies on what the daily time frame is saying. That is where I define my direction. You can see, let me show you a scenario where I use all this stuff. This is the structure. You can see we have demand level, supply level all around the screen. Then this one here is the fib retracement level. I'm very sure about that. Let me show you that. How did I got that there? I use this low here and this high here to define those the point that I'm going to use. So you can see the 50% and the 61.8% is what I use to define that fib retracement level that I use. And look at how price respected it and started moving up. So these are the three scenarios that I use. You can see I use it here. This is a fib, this is a demand level. You can see we have supply here, we have demand. You can see, so I use basically the demand level, the fib retracement level, and the market structure of the daily time frame to determine the market direction. So that is what GBPUSD is really doing right now. No direction has been taken yet. For the past 2 weeks, it has just been a massive range within the market. You can see we had a lot of ranging days here. You can see, look at this. Look at this whole movement here. This whole movement here, they are all traps. So if you're trading around this level, you have to be very, very careful. You can trade within those level on the lower time frame, fine. But if you want to get the market direction, the best thing that I do, I'm talking about myself, the best thing that I do is I go to the daily time frame and I wait for price to give me what I want from that daily time frame. That is price coming to any of my three confluences, the demand or supply level, the market structure, or the fib retracement level, which is the 50, 61, 8% of Fibonacci retracement. So I wait for any of these three confluences. Once price get to any of these three confluences, and then I'll be looking at their reaction on the lower time frame for me to determine where the market is going. You can see on this demand level down here, after price came back to this demand level on daily time frame, so going down to the lower time frame, going back to the 4-hour, firstly let's go to the 4-hour to see what the market really do at that particular level. You can see when price got here, we have this double bottom here. You can see price created this double bottom here before shooting up. Then one thing that I used to do is this: after getting there, I will go down to the 1 hour to see the trend line that will be taken out for me to define the movement is happening already. You can see, so from this point now, you can see clearly that we have a trend line here, then we have a trend line here as well. can see. So this tells you, if once these trend lines are taken out, that tells you the market is about to kickstart that movement, and that is what the 4-hour as well will confirm for me. You can see 4-hour candlestick breaking all those barriers and then going up from that point. So that tells me the market just started a new bullish movement. As you can see, this trend line here on the 4-hour too was taken out by that movement. So with that, with price holding a level from the daily time frame, for me is a directional decision from that point. So once price holds within any of my confluences, any of my levels, then I know that level is going to be the deciding factor for the market direction. So that is what I use, and that is what I'm waiting for here as well. So if this level here is taken out and price started moving within this level, below these two levels here, that tells me the major movement will be a selling market. You can see. So, and if price started moving above this level here, I know the market is going bullish. And where will I be expecting price to get to? Price to get to this new supply level here. I'll probably expect push into this key level that I have here. Then if this two level fails to hold it, it's coming back to this point. So these are the things that I do on the daily time frame and on the 4-hour, then going down to the 1 hour for me to draw my trend lines and start going with the market direction. That is all I have on this update on GBPUSD for this week. So I'm expecting really good movement by next week, which I believe is going to come up because market has been in this situation for so long. So I'm expecting next week to be a very good bullish or bearish run movement. Then we'll go along with the market direction. We don't do anything apart from what market says. So that is one thing that I've learned in the past. I just have to go with what the market is saying. If market is buying, is selling, I'll go with the direction. So that is what I have on this video for now. If you find any value in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Then I'll be so happy if you can just subscribe to my channel so that to grow this channel together with me. Then most importantly, turn on your notification bell for you to be receiving any new updates about any video I drop on this channel. So until we see again next week, do have a wonderful weekend, and let's see what the market will give for the new week. See you again next week. Bye for now.